Hello. So I'm doing a tutorial on how to land the project on Upwork without connect, with no connect. You can see with no connect. I had zero connect, and then I want to land the project with this offer. So now, how will I get in touch with them? You see, they posted about go HighLevel, and it's an automation expert needed for training sign up. I don't all those language. I don't want to know. I just want to learn them. And then they are from United States. They had 808 job posted. They are spending more than $2,050,000. Oh yeah. So now, what did I need? I've already read all these jargons. So I know. So now, on their proposal, they had 10 to 15 proposals, and then they're just checking one, having just one people. So now I need to check out their name. What is their name, and then their company name. Those are the two things I need over here. I need their name, and then I need their company name. So how will I see their name? We check their reviews, you see. So we are checking their reviews. You see, okay, this is the first one. Working with Chris and Maria at Noble Prog. That is number one hint. But you still need to make sure that we add like 2-3 evidence that they are real. So let's check another one. You see another review, Chris and Maria. That is the second one. Okay, and then let's check, maybe there is another one. Okay, another one. I enjoy working with Chris and Saul. That means we have 3 people: Chris, Maria, and Saul working with Noble Prog. So we don't know what Noble Prog is all about, but we get their name and then their company. So we need to copy this and then straight to Google to check what Noble Prog is about, and then who are these people. See, they are what? Chris Berlin and Maria Lesko are key contacts at Noble Prog. That means they are what? The decision maker at Noble. So let's find out. This is their website, and then this is the complaint LinkedIn. So let's go straight to the complaint LinkedIn account. So now, so you see, we got their full name, Chris Berlin, and then we got second one, Maria Lesko. So now let's check out the complaint LinkedIn accounts. So this is the company LinkedIn accounts, the Noble Prog. I don't want to know what they are about for now. Let me just check out these people I'm finding: Chris, Saul, and Maria. So we can get in touch with any one of them, since all of them are recruiting agency for this company particularly. So let's check out the people. Coming down, you see, these are the directors, the chairman, everyone in the company, but they are not the decision maker. Yeah. So we need the decision maker particularly. So let's go back to the Chris Bailey, and then let's find out we can get in touch with Chris Bailey. So this is LinkedIn account. So what else can we do? Okay, as well we need to check out Maria Lesko as well. Okay, Chris Berlin. Let's check something more about Chris Berlin. Who is he? Okay, so Chris Berlin. This doesn't give me the right results. Okay, let me add at. Okay, Noble Prog. Confirm. Yeah, you see, Chris Berlin, program manager, and then he's what? Program manager. Okay, let's check this out. Another one. Okay. So let's find out about Maria. Okay, you see, this is Chris Berlin. You see, he's bringing out his profile. You see, same thing. That means we are right. This is the real Chris Berlin recruiting. Okay, so let's look out for Maria Lesko as well. Maria Lesko. Let's check out for her as well. Maria Lesko doesn't bring multi-taste, so what do we do? Let's check out the read more to see more details. Okay, it brings out to the website. You see, fine, the team. Fine, you can see. Let's go to the IT training and consultancy executive. And then Chris Bellen is the head of recruiting and onboarding. Wow, these are the decision maker, particularly. So what do? We get their what? We get their email right now. So I'm looking for a way to get more details about HighLevel School as well, particularly. So this Chris Bellen, okay. Let's just copy this and then let's use this to find out more about HighLevel School. LinkedIn. Okay, no much details, but I'm sure that is HighLevel School. Yeah, I'm sure that is okay. But let's go with Chris Bellen first. Let's do some outreach. So I added contact out. This is the contact out. The contact out is used to push out an email of a profile. So you just need to add it to your Chrome extension or brief anyone. So let's review the email. This is the email. Just copy it. And then okay. So let's go straight to the Gmail. The gmail.com. Nope. Let me change this. Perfect. Okay, so still loading. But I'm thinking of using this one to get in touch with our later. Yeah, I'm thinking of using that's the special email for each staff at the company. Okay, so let's compose an email for this one particularly. Still loading, just taking time. Sorry for that though. Okay, fine. Let's compose. Fine. Okay, so now let's paste this over here. Okay, and then let's went to copy the second HighLevel School on Maria. Okay, fine. You copy this one as well, and then you paste it. So it's either Maria check it out or Chris Bellen check it out, since they are both recruiting staff. So for this subject, just copy this one. I mostly use this, so you can use any other one as well if you like. You can tweak it up, just paste it here, and then delete this. I want to add my signature. Okay, so my signature added it. So just press your copy, write your copy. But I'm sure that the best converted copy is no more than 3 paragraphs. If you write it way, and then don't use link when writing copy. Don't use link, yeah, and then don't make it just so long. Okay. So another thing I would like to talk about is about you get in touch with them on LinkedIn as well. And then on how to get in touch with them on LinkedIn, you need to follow them and follow their content, like their post, get engaged, and then okay, let's just use this one. Okay, because he is also, you see, an hiring staff, so you can just message, you follow, and then just write your copy over here as well. So with this, and then with a lot of follow-up,